Question number 9. What are the solutions to the quadratic equation 2x plus 5 times 3x minus 4 equals 0? Okay, so as we can see that this is actually an unsimplified polynomial. Okay, and to solve this problem using the calculator, what we're going to do is use the polynomial root finder app to solve this. But first, before we can do that, we need to actually simplify this expression and combine like terms. So I've sort of done that for you here. Okay, so what we're going to do is use for you to distribute and combine like terms. So 2x times 3x is 6x squared, and 2x times negative 4 is negative 8. Negative 8. Sorry about that. Negative 8x. And 5 times positive 3x is 15x. And 5 times negative 4 is negative 20. Okay? And so we can clearly see here that these are like terms. So we need to go on ahead and combine like terms. That's going to end up being 7x. And we can bring everything else down. Minus 20 equals 0. All right. So now that we have our polynomial, we are now going to use the polynomial root finder to solve this problem. So select apps. Option number 9, number 1. Your first option here says order, and what this represents is your highest exponent value. And as you can see, our highest exponent value is 2. There's an imaginary 1 here and 1 here as well. So we are going to keep 2 and then select next, which is graph. We are now presented with our polynomial root finder template. Go ahead and press 6 minus 8x. And as you can see, I previously worked this problem. So I'm going to go back 8x. Okay. And then minus again 20. Okay. And so now we can say solve. All right. So once I actually have my coefficients incorrect. I mistakenly. So let me show you that because you actually need to see this, okay? So I put in the wrong value. I fat fingered something, okay? And so in order to get back to these terms, I need to select the zoom key for coefficients. So go ahead and select that and then tap over to then make your correction, okay? And this should be 7. All right, and everything else looks good. So press graph, and now what we want to do is we want to convert both decimals to a fraction. So go on ahead and select this option here that shows that we can convert a fraction to a decimal and vice versa, a decimal to a fraction. So press graph. All right, and you can clearly see here that these are our solutions. X1 is equal to negative 4 over 3, and X2 is equal to 5 over 2, and that is option D. Okay? Now, one thing I would like to note here, whenever you have a problem that says to provide the X values, the zeros, or either the roots, what you're really looking to solve for is X values, okay? So you want to use the polynomial root finder to actually solve these types of problems, okay? So I hope that this was helpful. I will see you in the next problem. Bye-bye.